I'll talk about Yamato's corporate philosophy. First, we all represent the company. The core concept of Yamato business is every member of Yamato must act as a representative of the company. What does it mean to represent the company? It means to think and act proactively every at work. Instead of waiting for directions, each member must understand the purpose of their job, set targets, improve job process, and strive to achieve better results. Yamato members are expected to do this independently without supervisors' directions or supervision. This is the Yamato way of work. Second, regard transporting as part of the warm gesture of the sender. We serve our customers and deliver their parcels on behalf of them. When we deliver, we must always represent the sender's heart. What does it mean to represent the sender's heart? It is to love the sender and love their parcel. If you love the sender, you will naturally treat the parcel with deep care. Lastly, take a down-to-earth approach and adhere to high moral principles. In a company, human relationship, such as with customers and colleagues, is very important. The key to any good relationship is thoughtfulness for others. What does he want? What makes her happy? To put yourself in their shoes and consider with thoughtfulness is what builds a trusting relationship. That is Yamato's corporate philosophy. Thank you.